Meta just fired 8,000 people, and they did it to pay for AI. This isn't a rumor. It happened yesterday, and it's just the beginning. Mark Zuckerberg runs the company behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. 3 billion people use his apps every single day. And yesterday, he cut 8,000 jobs in a single morning. No warning, managers showed up to work and found out their teams had been reorganized overnight. Entire departments gone. Thousands of people who built Facebook, who built Instagram, who built the platforms you use every day, fired. Why? One word: AI. Meta has been on a massive AI spending spree, part of a $725 billion industry-wide wave alongside Google and Tesla. They need the money, and the easiest way to find it is to fire the humans and replace them with machines. In the same week they fired 8,000 people, Meta quietly reassigned 7,000 other employees to new AI-focused groups, reorganizing entire teams to prioritize AI model development and infrastructure. So the math is simple. Fire the humans who don't build AI, keep the humans who do, and let the machines do everything else. Here's what makes this story different from every other tech layoff you've heard about. This isn't a company in trouble. Meta made $164 billion in revenue last year. They're not cutting jobs because they're losing money. They're cutting jobs because AI is cheaper than people. And they're not even hiding it. Zuckerberg said publicly that AI agents will replace mid-level engineers at Meta within the next year. Not someday, next year. And Meta isn't alone. Google, Microsoft, Amazon, every major tech company is doing the same thing right now, firing humans, investing billions in AI, and calling it efficiency. The question nobody is asking out loud is this: if AI keeps replacing jobs at this speed, who exactly is going to buy the products these companies are selling? 8,000 people lost their jobs yesterday, not because they did something wrong, not because the company was struggling, but because a machine can do it cheaper. And if it can happen at Meta, it can happen anywhere. Subscribe to TruthSignal, because the AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here.